Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming eligibility. You must be an enrolled college or university student. Once done, gather your school email or valid student ID because Apple uses Scholar verification. Next, sign into your Apple ID on your device and make sure billing info is current. If a family plan exists, leave it first. This avoids conflicts. Finally, open the music app and tap your profile to begin. That first move triggers the student sign-up flow. You now select the student plan in Apple Music and follow the prompt. Tap Try It Free or Subscribe and pick Student. Apple redirects you to the verification partner, such as UniDays. Provide your school email, upload a photo of your student ID, or enter enrollment details. The service explains required fields. Once you submit, wait for the confirmation email. Make sure to approve any verification link, otherwise the discount won't apply, and you'll default to the regular rate. Finish by returning to Settings Subscriptions to confirm the student price appears and the billing reflects the discount. If the label still shows full price, sign out, then sign back in or rerun verification. Sometimes UniDays times out. If problems persist, contact Apple support or UniDays with screenshots. They resolve account mismatches quickly. Lastly, note that student status must be re-verified periodically, so save your student.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.